Hi there, today we will be making a jellyfish, so let's get started. We're going to start out with an upside down U, like that. Now we're going to close the U up with the line, and you'll want to make sure that the curves right here are kind of soft, softish curves. Then underneath we're going to put some U's, and we are going to attach those U's to the bottom line all the way across. Just like that. Now we're going to put some tentacles down here. So we're going to make them a little bit curvy and then swirly at the end. So I usually put maybe about 4 or 5 tentacles. Like that. Okay, now what I like to do is I like to go over them again, and I don't go over them very carefully. I just kind of follow along the same lines, and if I go out of the line a little bit, I think it makes it look even more interesting. So I just go over each one of the lines again. Give it a little bit of more dimension. So we'll go back up. Let's make him some wide set eyes. You can make your eyes any way that you like. Sometimes on my octopus, I like to make really large eyes, or maybe even one large eye and one small eye. So that's always fun, and then a small smile. Now, sometimes when I make the octopus, I like to put little bubbles around him. So if you like to do that, that just kind of shows that he's in the water. There you go. There's your jellyfish. I hope you like him. Thanks for watching. Bye.